everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. First of all, I would like to say happy Memorial Day to you all. I hope you guys are having a lot of fun. I know you're barbecuing or you're eating seafood, but right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting home. I'm just resting, trying to catch up on my rest. Old girl is tired, you know, so I'm not doing anything today. I'm coming to you guys on my hair. I thank you guys so much for your tips. I thank you guys so much for your comments. Let me know what I should do to my hair. I can say that my hair is damaged. A lot has broken off because of life and what I'm going through, especially going through menopausal. Yes, going through menopausal. But you guys know what I'm talking about. But please excuse the background noise of gunshots. So, but I'm coming to you guys with this shampoo called Aphogee. I've been looking at people's videos, and so one of the products that stood out for me was the Aphogee products. You know, in order to try to get your hair back to a healthy state. Okay, I went to my local beauty supply store and I found these, and let me see, the one that I have is the Aphogee Serious Care and Protection Shampoo for Damaged Hair. Let me put my glasses on, cause I tell you, I be stumbling over my words trying to read and can't see. So these are reading glasses, not prescription. I got to go and try to get me some prescription glasses as well. I don't like to wear them, but I need them. So right now I have the Aphogee Serious Care and Protection Shampoo for Damaged Hair. Okay, this cleanses, gently restores shine, health. Cleanses gently, restores shine, helps strengthen hair, normalizes pH. And then I have this one, Aphogee Serious Care and Protection Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor, and it says it adds strength and soften in one step, quick and effective against heat and chemical damage. And I have this one, the Aphogee Serious Care and Protection Pro-Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. It says smooth and detangles, improves body and shine, protects against heat. So let you guys see if you can see that. This one is the leave-in conditioner, and this one is the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. And then this one is the Aphogee Shampoo for Damaged Hair. Now this leave-in conditioner here is very liquidy, so I'm going to pour it over into this spray bottle. You guys, when I get ready to go and wash my hair, I will not be doing any talking. I may do a voiceover. This is what it looks like. So let me see if I can find more on this to read to you guys. So I'm not a hair expert. I'm just trying to get my hair back into a healthy state. You guys, I just thank you so much for your tips. I really do. So I don't know what's going on. I just guess it's just life. I'm getting older in age, and I don't have that thickness in my hair anymore. My hair is really thin, because you can see when I pressed it, it's thin. But I'm leaving my hair in a natural, you know, state. I will not put any relaxer in it. I'm trying to keep my hair away from heat as much as I can, which I have done that. but I was so curious. I just wanted to see how long my hair has gotten. But after straightening it out, you guys can see how much damage I have on my hair. So I will get it cut and start all over again. You guys, I've been doing my hair for a long time, and so I don't know, you know, and I love wigs, and there's time that I do let my hair breathe because it does need sunshine and light instead of being covered up by wigs all the time. I just don't know what to do anymore, but I'm going to keep coming back with hair videos so you guys can see how my hair is doing. Okay, this shampoo for damaged hair, the Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair, shampoo for damaged hair. Can be used on extensions and weaves. The Aphogee Pro-Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. Yes, this one right here. It says so, like I said, this one is liquidy, and I poured it into a spray bottle. Next, the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. Okay, it says so I will not be doing much talking as I oh Lord, why did he have to cut his yard today? Or right now, while I'm trying to do this video. I just hope you guys can, you know, understand what I'm saying, you know, over the noise. But I just hope it's not too loud to where you can't hear, and I have to do this video all over again. But yes, I'm going to go in to wash my hair, condition it, and then do the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. Thank you so much again for tuning in, and if you have any more tips, please leave them down below. Okay, y'all, after using these 3 products, the Aphogee Shampoo for damaged hair, and the Pro-Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner, and the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. You guys, I think I might have got confused a little bit. I wanted the 2-step hair treatment. I'm gonna have to go back to my beauty supply store and then come back to you guys with another video. I want to treat my hair because it is damaged. But I'm so glad that I did find the Aphogee products, and this is what I'll be using to get my hair back into a healthy state. So let me know what I should do. I am going to get it, but let me know how to properly, you know, use it. So my hair is, well, my head is feeling wonderful, but like I said, I am going to trim it, and when I do get ready to trim it, I am going to come back with another video and show you guys how I'm trimming my hair. Okay, right now I'm not going to blow dry it. I'm not going to sit up under dry. I'm just going to go ahead and let it air dry. Right now I'm getting ready to go over to my mom's. You know, they are barbecuing over there, and I'm going to go over there and sit with her for a while. Okay, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and please come back, because you never know what I may have next for you guys. You never know. I do have a video that I have saved, cabbage, and I believe it's like cabbage and sausages or something, but I'm going to go ahead and upload that video in the meantime, because I had it for a while and I haven't even uploaded it yet. So you guys stay tuned, and thank you so much. Continue to come back with, you know, many more tips and comments, and I'll be back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.